So you got your main menu, you go to apps, you go to settings, where is it? Settings, go to your factory settings, 3368, confirm, and now scroll down about middle of the menu. You'll have home launcher. Here you can choose which one you want. So we got the first one, the one we got now. Let's try this one. That one looks alright. It looks more like old style, like a Pioneer radio, I think. So then go back. If you want to change the settings, factory, confirm. Don't forget home launcher, factory settings, home launcher. Let's choose this one. You can see your speed, you can settings, go to your menu, back, equalizer straight away, Bluetooth. I don't like this one, to be honest, so go change again. Oh no, this one, sorry. Home launcher, let's try UI22. That's the one what we got. Let's try UI29. Very similar to the previous. Video player, navigation, go straight to sat nav. Music player, video player, turning off your radio stations. So you got it now. You know how to do it. Settings, where is it? Settings, factory. Home launcher. Go to another one. This is another one. Just depends which one you like, to be honest. But that's like the main menu. Control. Here you can change your settings for steering wheel. You know, on the handles on the steering wheel, I think. But I never been played with that. I don't know how it's working, to be honest. I don't know. I just left it. And then you can go. I'll show you another tip. Bluetooth. So go back to settings. Change it to basic one. First one. That's what we like. No, this one. Sorry. That was, I think, 22. Yeah, that's the main one. So, and now, then you can go to Google Play, Apple Store, and download this one. Try to find on the Google Play called, this is another launcher, you might like this one as well. It's got loads of customizations. Car Web Guru. So find that on a Google Play, sorry, on the Play Store. Find this one, Car Web Guru. This is another launcher, and it looks like this. You might like this one. You can have navigations, you can have phone, you can change all these to your preferences how you want. Very easy to do it as well. So depends which one you like. I like this menu, so I mean this stock factory menu, to be honest, the most. So there you go, pal.